Hi Danielle, sorry about not being able to access my course. I'm just going to run through it quickly here with the screencast. I think that might be better than taking a bunch of pictures, so hopefully this works. Bear with me. So here's the first page of the module, the title, and then we move through the introduction, the learning outcomes, and then key terms and concepts. And then each piece of the outline. We start the course. We move into 2.1. There's a few videos that you can access. Hopefully this isn't going too fast. PDF that you can access. Again, some more videos. Links to the graded practice for this section. Then voila, we move on to the next section. 2.2. Hopefully you can get a sort of feel for how things work in my course. Another video. And then you continually move through to another graded activity, and then some more lessons. Lesson 2.3 of this module. Multiplying fractions, guided lesson and graded activity. And then on to the next one. Sorry about that. Final lesson 2.4. The embedded links, another graded activity, a few more videos. And again, quite a few embedded activities, videos. And then we move on to the summary. And then finally the references page. And that is the course. Hopefully this satisfies the requirement. If you have any issues, please let me know as soon as possible. I'll check my email frequently during the day. Thanks for your patience, and see you in the next course.